The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for your area. Heavy rainfall has occurred or is occurring, and runoff will cause flash flooding of creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, roads along the banks of creeks and streams and low-lying areas are subject to flash flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or is occurring. If you are in the warning area, residents along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not drive across low water crossings where water is covering the roadway. Turn around, don't drown. For additional information regarding this warning and the impacts to your area, seek additional information from your local media or the National Weather Service.